Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera view for better control during races in CarX Street. If you're struggling to control your car during races in CarX Street, then one of the easiest way to improve your driving is by adjusting the camera view. So in order to change your camera view, first of all, launch open the CarX Street game and enter a race or free roam mode. Once you're inside the free roam mode, which looks like this, go to the top right corner and look for the camera icon, this one over here with a small plus in it, and tap on it. Soon after you tap on that button, you'll be able to cycle through views. Keep pressing on it to find the best angle for yourself. You'll be able to switch between third person, cockpit, hood view, etc. Experiment with each perspective during practice races and find the one that feels more comfortable for you, and you'll be able to change your camera view on CarX Street. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.